Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. And do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel if you have not done it so far, and do press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of all the episodes that I upload. So for the session of today, come.
This Indian flatbread is too good, and to make it you require coconut along with mint, but that's my twist, onion, garlic pods, that is optional and my twist again, cloves, again my twist, totally optional, and cumin, which is a must. Now all these we grind together into a coarse paste and then we set it aside. Rice flour, that is 1.5 cups for 25 pieces, and the tip, always roast the rice flour to remove the moisture, if any, and this imparts a certain amount of crispiness to the flatbread. So always roast the rice flour. Once roasted, set it aside to cool. And in the meantime, we put the fire back on and take any natural water or spring water. Add natural salt to it. Stir well. Add black sesame seed and add rice flour slowly, constantly stirring so that no lumps are seen. Keep stirring, keep adding. Both of them must go on simultaneously. And when done, add the coconut mix that we had already prepared earlier. Stir, mix well, and when done, switch off the flames, offload onto a vessel and knead into a dough immediately. Do not allow it to cool, because if it cools down, you will never be able to make it into a dough. There, set the dough aside, cover with a kitchen towel, and in the meantime, heat enough coconut, mustard, rice bran or sesame oil or clarified butter to deep fry the Indian flatbread in. When done, grease well a plate, a thali or a tray, and the base on which the rice flour has to be rolled and flattened, and the rolling pin also. Grease them well. When greased, take the dough, divide it into equal sized balls, and then one by one flatten the rice flour balls. There. Now test if the medium is hot. If the medium is hot enough, take it out and let's start to deep fry our flatbread in. Do it in small batches, never overcrowd, flip continuously and allow them to become crispy and crunchy. Look, they're already very crispy and crunchy, isn't it? Don't overcrowd, never overcrowd, as it increases the cooking time and does not allow the food to be cooked in well. And of course, moment you cramp flipping is also difficult. Therefore, never overcrowd. There, very, very crispy, isn't it? Now remove them, but allow the medium to drain back. There we are. Continue with the rest of the dough and consume as such or store. You can have them with chutney or sauce or any accompaniment of your choice, or with tea or coffee, as a snacks or as a main course. But remember, serve to your enemies too.
So friends, trust you have loved the session today. Do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. And till the time we meet again with another session, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.